Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a budget report using the template in your Google Sheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to create a budget report using template in Google Sheet mobile. I'm just going to show this video. Click on this plus symbol and just choose the template here. Now you just can see a lot of templates are given here. So you can see option called annual budget or monthly budget. You can choose any one of this and you can just scroll down. You can see a lot of templates. I just going to choose a monthly budget. Actually a lot of them are choosing like this. So after opening the monthly budget, you just can resize it by using this pinch option, and here in this expense option you can see there is changes of there is a lot of numbers here. So about currencies, and you can see while clicking this you can see the formula on the bottom side. So you can just use this and you can just double tap here and you can just edit it. You can see that you can just change everything, you can just edit it everything, and you can use this template and you can just create your own monthly annual report, budget report, or you can just use another template about the annual budget, and you can use this also. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from You Can Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.